In this video, you will see how to justify in WPS Office. If your text is not justified and you see uneven spacing at the right and left side of the page, then what you can do is just select the paragraph using your mouse, and here you will see the justify option. You can align text to the both left and right margin. So just click on this option and the text will be justified. But if you have a long document, then press CTRL A on your keyboard or Command A on Mac to select everything, and press CTRL J or Command J on Mac to justify text and paragraphs in Word document in WPS Office. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office Writer.